Understanding Religious Sects, a guide to diversity in faith. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring an intriguing and culturally rich topic, religious sects. Understanding this concept is not just about language, it's also about gaining insight into diverse beliefs and practices around the world. Let's dive in. What exactly is a religious sect? It's a term that describes a group within a larger religion, often formed because of differences in beliefs or practices. These groups, while part of a bigger religious tradition, have their own unique interpretations and ways of worship. It's important to understand that a sect is not necessarily negative or controversial. It's simply a way to describe a distinct group within a religion. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. In Christianity, denominations like Catholics, Protestants, and Orthodox are often seen as different sects. In Islam, Sunnis and Shias are two major sects. Buddhism also has sects like Theravada and Mahayana. These examples show how one religion can have diverse interpretations and practices. Why do religious sects form? Often, they arise from differences in interpreting religious texts, historical events, or leadership. For instance, the split between Sunni and Shia Muslims originated from a dispute over the rightful successor to Prophet Muhammad. Understanding these origins helps us appreciate the diversity within a religion. How do religious sects interact with society? They can influence cultural practices, social norms, and even politics. In some cases, sects coexist peacefully, enriching the cultural tapestry of a society. In other cases, misunderstandings between sects can lead to conflicts. Recognizing this helps us appreciate the importance of tolerance and understanding in a multicultural world. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating concept of religious sects. Understanding these distinctions is not just about language. It's about recognizing the rich tapestry of beliefs and practices that shape our world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you. Stay curious and keep learning.